Hello everyone, we are now live. Thank you for joining me. It's 3:30 p.m. 20th of June 2024, so it is Thursday. So you can see on the DXY we've still respected this 1 hour candle that I've drawn on here, this bullish candle before the bearish move. Price could see a reaction from here to continue down into this 4 hour imbalance, or price could continue up. I've just marked that on just for technical analysis purposes. I'm not trading from that area, so I do expect price to come down into there. But I'm also bullish on DXY on the 4 hour as well, as we've spoken about. On GJ, continuing to rise, to the upside. Still yet to tap into this 4 hour area right there. On the 1 hour time frame, again, this is the area that I'm looking for. If we can get a pullback, that would be great. Might have a retest into here. Let's just draw this on together. Just want to see if this aligns in the 5618. No, I don't think it does just yet. That's there, look. So that's not of it. It's not of any interest of mine at the moment. On pound dollar, price is closed below that right there on the 4 hour time frame, which could be a sign that we want to go lower. Could be a sign that we want to go lower. On the daily time frame, we're still reacting from here, but as I've said about this area many times, could be on the cards. If we don't come down there straight away and we come up to here, first of all, I'll be looking for potential short opportunities down into there. Okay, USD CAD being attracted down into this weekly support. We've even got that daily support right there as well. If we can close below this low right here, then that will be 4 hour bearish structure confirmed. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay. Euro dollar looking like it's continuing to push up, but again, it's respective of the DXY. So whatever this does, obviously the dollar will do the exact opposite. So if this goes up, euro dollar, if this goes up, then euro dollar will go down. If this goes down, euro dollar will go up. I still do think this is quite a nice area where price can react from, because it is a 1 hour liquidity POI as well, because it's actually swept that high there and then made a new low, and then price has done what? Revisited that area. So yeah, we'll have to see with that one. And silver. So silver's actually hit my take profit literally a few minutes before coming on this live. So that 4 hour area right there has been smashed. So a 9 to 1 add a 5 to 1. So a 14 to 1 in total. Absolutely brilliant trade. And these ones I actually did take on my personal account. I'm just marking it up for the moment for you members here at UKTA, because I'm not going to share something I've not got full confidence in. However, I was willing to take the risk on my own account. So that's nice that played out. So I'm going to be monitoring this going forward and seeing if we can get some nice potential buys on this to ride this up. Now, that 4 hour area was my take profit, partly because this is my first sort of live setup on this. So I just wanted to be conservative and secure the profits. However, that high could be vulnerable right there, which if we run the risk to reward tool all the way up to the high, you got a 24.8 to 1 and a 15 to 1 right there. But nonetheless, still an amazing trade, and it's good to see the analysis play out and the concepts play out as well. Let's look at gold. Gold has now reacted from this area to revisit this area, the 4 hour imbalance. what we were discussing. So what we can do from here, we'll have to see, because yes, we're bearish on the 4 hour, but we're also coming out of this bullish weekly imbalance, which could have more strength than this bearish structure from a higher time frame perspective. Come into there, move away. Similar to silver, obviously we're coming out of that weekly on silver as well. So that's really, really nice to see. Okay. And on GJ, something I'm looking at as well relative to the system that I'm trading on this is I'm just waiting for some sort of break. I am in some really, really nice trades on this system from down here. This was a loss. We had a loss here, a win, a loss. In this trade at the minute, I'm in this trade at the minute as well, and I'm in this buy position right here. This short position is just something I'm looking at because I'm looking for a confirmation before anything. So that's that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Not much else to report on. Obviously, we're coming to the end of the week now. For myself, it has been a great week, thanks to silver and these GJ trades. But yeah, so hopefully this is something I can start sharing with the members as I obviously gain confidence on it, because the risk to reward is very, very favourable when we're getting into these trades, as we spoke about before. These are just a few markups that I've sort of looked at with this way of trading. It says phenomenal opportunity here. You've got a 30 risk to reward there. We spoke about this yesterday or the day before as well. 32, a 9. This one was a loss. It would have been a 5 to 1. This one was a break even, as I spoke about. Then Tuesday's trade, and then obviously yesterday's trade as well. And there was a scaling opportunity which would have been stopped out right there. But obviously it doesn't really matter when you're going for 14 risk to reward. You can afford to take a loss or 2 or 3 or even 4 or 5. Like, that's just the way it works. That's obviously the big benefits of a high risk to reward system. So yeah, that pretty much wraps this live session up. There isn't much else to discuss, as I've spoken about. Obviously this is euro at the moment, 4 hour. I don't like the fact that it's closed below there on the 4 hour. On the DXY, let's have a look. On the DXY, it didn't though. That's very important to take note of. So that was the sort of 4 hour, I guess you could call it, resistance on the DXY. This 4 hour candle came into there, closed below. Obviously on the euro, it's done what is closed below there. So this could be just manipulation from the euro against the dollar, because ideally we want to be going with the dollar, because this is the world reserve currency. So whatever this is doing is going to have a knock-on effect of the other currencies. So with that being said, thank you for watching once again. As always, please leave a comment on this video or in the Discord group if you've got any questions, etc. We'd be more than happy to reach out and help with anything you have to ask or suggest. All right. So thanks, guys. Take care. Trade safe. I'll see you tomorrow in tomorrow's live sessions. Thank you.